Have you ever wondered how your phone recognizes your face or how Siri understands what you say? Welcome to the fascinating world of artificial intelligence. This intriguing field, often abbreviated as AI, is a branch of computer science dedicated to creating machines that mimic human intelligence. It's everywhere around us, subtly woven into the fabric of our daily lives. From the virtual assistants like Siri and Google Assistant that answer our queries, to the self-driving cars that navigate our roads, AI is making remarkable strides in imitating and even surpassing human capabilities. It's not magic, it's not rocket science, it's artificial intelligence, the science of making machines smart. But how does it all work? Well, to fully understand AI, we need to take a closer look at its three core domains: data, computer vision, and natural language processing. First off, let's explore the world of data in AI. Data is the backbone of AI. Imagine you're in a library, surrounded by countless books. These books contain a wealth of knowledge, but without a way to read and understand them, they're just piles of paper. Similarly, in the realm of artificial intelligence, data is like those books. It's abundant and holds a wealth of information, but AI needs a way to read and comprehend it. Now let's take a simple example to understand this better. Have you ever noticed how Netflix seems to know exactly what movie or series to recommend you next? It's not magic, it's data. Netflix uses AI algorithms that analyze your viewing data, the shows you've watched, the movies you've rated highly, and even the ones you didn't finish. This data is then used to predict what you might enjoy watching next. It's like having a friend who knows your taste in movies so well, they always know what to recommend. But instead of a friend, it's an AI. And instead of knowing just your tastes, it knows the tastes of millions of Netflix users around the world. And that's not all. Think of online shopping sites that recommend products based on your previous purchases, or music streaming apps that curate playlists according to your listening history. These are all examples of AI using data to learn and make decisions. But remember, data in AI is not just about recommendations. It's also about making our lives easier and more efficient. Think about voice assistants like Siri or Alexa. They use data about our voices, our language, and our commands to help us control our devices, set reminders, or even tell jokes. So you see, data is like the fuel that powers the AI engine. Without data, AI would be like a car without gasoline, a library without books, a Netflix without movies. It's the key that unlocks the vast potential of AI, helping it learn, adapt, and make decisions. So data is the fuel that powers AI. Now let's move on to another crucial aspect of AI, computer vision. Ever wondered how your smartphone camera identifies faces? This is possible due to computer vision, another domain of AI. Computer vision is a fascinating field of artificial intelligence that teaches computers to interpret and understand the visual world. In other words, it's like giving eyes to a machine. But these eyes are not just for seeing, they are for understanding as well. So how does it work? Let's take a simple example. You know those fun filters you use on Snapchat, right? The dog ears, the flower crowns? All these are possible because of computer vision. When you apply a filter, Snapchat's computer vision technology identifies your face in the image. It finds key points, like the corners of your eyes or the tip of your nose, and then overlays the filter so it fits just right. Another everyday example is facial recognition on your smartphone. You've probably noticed how your phone can unlock by just looking at your face. This is computer vision in action. Your phone's camera captures your face's details, and the AI compares them to the facial data it has stored. If it finds a match, voila, your phone is unlocked. But how does the computer see and understand images? Well, to a computer, an image is just an array of numbers, with each number representing a pixel's color. Computer vision algorithms analyze these numbers, identifying patterns and structures. For instance, an algorithm may recognize the pattern of two eyes, a nose, and a mouth as a face. Of course, this is a simplified explanation. The actual process involves complex algorithms and a lot of computational power. But the bottom line is computer vision allows AI to interact with the visual world in ways similar to humans. It's like giving our machines a pair of smart glasses. So that's how AI sees the world around us. Now let's explore the last domain of AI, natural language processing. When you ask Siri a question and it understands you, that's natural language processing at work. Imagine you're talking to a friend. You say something, they understand your words, and respond accordingly. Now, imagine if your friend was a computer. That's essentially what natural language processing, or NLP, is all about. It's a way for computers to understand, interpret, and respond to human language in a way that is both meaningful and useful. But how does it work? Well, it's all about teaching machines to understand our language. You see, unlike humans, machines don't naturally understand language. They don't know what words mean, they don't understand grammar, and they certainly don't understand nuances like sarcasm or irony. So we need to teach them. Picture this. When you ask Siri to play your favorite song, Siri doesn't just hear your words. It breaks down your sentence into smaller parts, analyzes those parts, understands what you're asking, and then responds by playing your song. That's NLP in action. And it's not just Siri. Alexa, Google Assistant, and many other technologies use NLP to interact with us in a more human-like way. They can understand spoken commands, read text, and even write text that sounds pretty human. It's like having a conversation with a machine. But it's not just about understanding. NLP also allows these technologies to respond in a way that makes sense. They can answer your questions, carry out your commands, and even hold a conversation. It's like they're learning our language and getting better and better at it. And that's the beauty of NLP. It's a bridge between humans and machines. It allows us to communicate with machines in a way that feels natural to us. It's like teaching a new language to a friend, only this time the friend is a computer. So that's how AI understands and responds to human language. Now let's wrap up everything we've learned. So, we've explored the 3 domains of AI: data, computer vision, and natural language processing. Let's take a moment to recap. Data, the backbone of AI, is all about how machines learn from information. They pick up patterns and trends that help them make predictions and decisions. Next, we have computer vision, where AI gets its eyes. It's how machines comprehend and interpret visual information, be it a photo, a live feed, or your handwritten notes. Lastly, there's natural language processing, or NLP. This is where AI gets its voice and ears, enabling it to understand and interact with human language. Together, these 3 domains form the essence of AI, allowing it to learn, see, and communicate just like us. They're the secret ingredients behind your voice assistants, personalized recommendations, and so much more. And that's a wrap. Remember, the next time you use Siri or watch a recommended movie on Netflix, you're experiencing the incredible power of AI.